So my yoga teacher was like, that's trauma. And I was like, that's not trauma. It's not part of the list of things that are traumatic. I'm a trauma researcher. I ought to know. And it like sunk in. I was like, oh my God, that's trauma. Like I can feel it. As healers and just as sensitive people, we can feel what trauma feels like. So I think it's really important to realize that we may have gone through something that we don't recognize as trauma, but it may be.
It has two parts: sympathetic, fight, flight, freeze, which a lot of us are used to, also fawn. If you've ever had the experience of being very shocked or feeling very put upon, and almost like you want to run away from a situation, but instead you say, yeah, I got you, I can do that, or you've ever seen someone do that, like become very interested in doing what someone else says, that can actually be a nervous system response that isn't intentional, it's just a reaction. The parasympathetic nervous system is the one that we're tapping into when we take a deeper breath. Rest and digest, which we need a lot of and we don't tend to get enough of. It helps us to digest not just food, but also emotions. So that space between thoughts idea. When we spend time in quietude, meditation, right, prayer, all of those things that are so different from our get it done, day-to-day life, we get to digest that which we've experienced and how just much better you felt, right? That's the parasympathetic, the rest and digest nervous system kicking in. So it's like, oh, I'm safe. These people have my back.